Presenting the Tecno Spark Go 1. The phone comes with 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, 120Hz refresh rate and smooth display experience. It has NOISE cancellation and enhanced calls in NOISE surroundings. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage and expandable up to 1TB. It has 4+ years lag-free performance. It also features inbuilt infrared remote control, dual speakers with DTS and up to 300% louder audio. It comes in color options of Star Trail Black, Lime Green, and Glittery White. The delivery box contains power adapter and SIM tray ejector, phone case and USB cable. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,